Hey, stop! Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you why creators are quietly building 30 days of content from one video, and why they're growing on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok without ever editing a clip, and more importantly, how you can do the exact same thing, completely hands-free. Over the past year, something unexpected happened. Short-form video took over the entire internet, not just for influencers, not just for big brands, but for ordinary people quietly building massive audiences. And here's the part nobody talks about. Almost none of them are filming new content. They're taking one long video and turning it into dozens of viral clips. So, what's actually going on? Every podcast, every webinar, every interview, live stream, and long YouTube video is sitting on a goldmine of short clips. The problem? Finding those moments takes hours. Cutting them takes skill. Captioning, reframing, posting to 3 platforms, it's exhausting. So most people give up before they ever go viral. But here's the real problem. To do this the normal way, you usually have to pay every single month. $30 per month for a clipping tool, $50 plus per month for a captioning app, more for translation and dubbing, even more for a scheduler to post everywhere. And it never stops. Every tool, every upgrade, more money. Or you hire an editor and burn hundreds of dollars per month. So even though the opportunity is massive, actually doing it becomes expensive and overwhelming. That's why we built something different, something smarter, something simpler, something fully automated. Introducing ClipAgent, an AI agent that takes any long video and gives you the best moments, found automatically, cut into captioned vertical clips, narrated or dubbed in any language, and posted to Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. For you, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another clip tool. This is your complete short-form content machine. Here's what happens after you activate ClipAgent. You paste a YouTube link, or connect a whole channel, or upload a podcast, webinar, or recording, and instantly, ClipAgent transcribes the entire video, scans it for the strongest, most clip-worthy moments, cuts them into vertical clips, no editing ads, animated, word-by-word captions, and reframes everything for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok in minutes, which means no scrubbing through hours of footage, no manual editing, no juggling 5 different tools, just ready to post clips. And here's where it gets even better. ClipAgent doesn't just clip, it goes global. It can translate captions into 20+ languages, generate AI voiceovers in any language, even dub your clip, matching the original voice and lip movement. So one source video becomes content for audiences all over the world. More reach, more views, more growth, and it runs on full autopilot. This is the part creators love most. Connect your source once, and ClipAgent becomes an agent that watches your channel for new uploads, automatically clips and captions them, schedules them on a content calendar, and auto-posts to TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts every day, without you lifting a finger. And yes, it's beginner-friendly. No editing skills needed, no complicated software. If you can paste a link, you can use ClipAgent. Now, let's talk about the price. Normally, to clip, caption, dub, schedule, and post like this, you'd be paying for tool after tool every single month. But today, you don't have to. With ClipAgent, you get everything with a simple one-time payment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just activate it once, and it's yours. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So now the decision is yours. Do you keep editing for hours, paying monthly, and posting by hand? Or do you let one AI agent build your entire content engine? If you're ready to, turn one long video into 30 days of clips, Caption, dub, and post automatically replace your editor and your monthly tools. Reach global audiences in any language and grow on autopilot across every platform. Then click the button below. Activate ClipAgent and turn your videos into a non-stop clip machine. No editing, no subscriptions, no stress, just powerful AI working for you. Your move starts now.